How to join admin server in Steal a Brainrot Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the search bar there and search for the Steal a Brainrot game and tap on it. Now, tap on this particular option there under Experiences and then tap on the People Like icon right beside the play button you see there. You will now be led to your server page. So here, go ahead and if you have any friends which currently have admin access, then you will be able to find them from the other server list in this particular interface right here. And also, if you know that some people are indeed admins of that particular game, then you can also go and click on Ascendant option there and find a server. Also, scroll through and if you recognize the person avatar and if they are an admin, then you can just click on their name and join them and you will have been joined the admin server of Steal a Brainrot. So this is how you can join admin server and Steal a Brainrot. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.